Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a fruit platter. Start by choosing seasonal fruits and rinsing them gently, then dry with a towel to prevent sogginess. Plan a balance of sweet, tart, and crisp items and slice larger fruits into bite-sized pieces. Arrange by color and shape, using height and negative space to create interest. Finish with a garnish like mint or citrus zest for aroma and brightness. Trim and slice efficiently to keep the fruit fresh and attractive. Peel citrus and stone fruits where needed, and core apples or pears to prevent browning. Toss sliced apples in a light lemon water rinse if you expect a delay before serving. Have grapes or cherries if desired, and toss berries gently to avoid crushing. Keep everything chilled until assembly to maintain texture and flavor during presentation. Think of the platter like a painting where color and shape guide the eye. Start with a focal fruit cluster, then fan slices outward and fill gaps with berries and grapes. Add height with stacked slices or small bowls of dip, and use leaves or herbs as natural dividers. Leave clear edges for guests to grab fruit, and place utensils strategically so the platter stays neat as people serve themselves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.